Oh, it's 6:30 a.m. I think there's a fire drill. I'm gonna look through the hallway really quick. Dude, this is scary. Hey, you got the keys?
I don't have any keys. You have?
I don't know. You got the apartment keys? Right there. My car keys. No, I don't got my car keys. Do you?
I just saw them hanging out of your pocket.
Oh, then I lost them.
No, I handed you your car keys. Are you
Huh.
sure you don't have them?
Nope, I lost them.
Let's go look.
Are you sure you don't have them?
Wait, I didn't grab them. I didn't grab them.
We keep walking into a fire building. Where are they?
I don't know. They were sitting right there.
Oh, is it done?
I think so.
Dude, but I lost the keys now. Are you sure you don't got them? Just check. It's always nice to check.
I don't have them, right?
Guess the fire drill's over now. I'm tired as fuck, and now we lost the car keys. That's our Wednesday morning. Wow. What's out? Look at her. She wants out. Do you want outside? Is that what you want, Molly? She's like, make it bigger for me. Cops are now coming. But we lost our fucking keys.
Don't use weed.
Well, I was in a rush. Alright, guys, so, we found our keys. The bedroom's a mess. You can definitely tell, like, we just ran off the bed, and all the pillows were on the floor, and that's where the keys were, but I don't even remember coming in this room with my keys. I don't know. Maybe I accidentally threw it. It's 6 in the morning. I don't know, like, that was just horrible to wake up to, like, really. The fire alarm goes off, I lose my keys. That's the first thing I do in the morning. It's our day off. I got, this morning's gonna be something today. And then we went outside with the neighbors. The neighbor's a chihuahua. It's like an older one. It looks old and chubby, and that's like an angry chihuahua. All it was doing is barking at Paloma, and it was so annoying. The neighbor itself is okay. Like, he's a little old man. He's I don't know if he's little or not, but he's an old man. So he's okay, but like the dog is so annoying. But yeah, I'll probably update you guys and see what we do later. I'm going back to bed. Molly, you want to come to bed with me? Come on, Molly.
Start my TV.
You never even turn off your TV.
Because you always say you're watching it after me.
No, I don't. Allison, I never
Can I
said
tell them
that.
what I'm going to do?
Yeah, what are you going to do?
I'm going to take a little TV break, but watch shows that Clayton doesn't like, and then I'm going to clean in like 20 minutes. Okay. Except the bedroom, because he'll wake up. I'll do that after.
Let me sleepy.
Okay,
Molly, come sleepy with me. Come on, Molly.
Go sleep with Dad today. I'll sleep with you tomorrow.
I said, yay. All right, guys. So, yeah, you know, we had a weird morning with the fire stuff and everything like that. It was crazy, but, you know, we're up now. It is about 1 o'clock. And we bought different places. We never done something like this. I love watching videos. Actually, yeah, let's thumbnail post because I love watching videos like this. So show every single sign. Got it. I love watching videos like this. We just don't have enough money for it, but we bought some stuff. But it's not going to be like those famous YouTubers that have buy like 20 things from one place, 20 things from another place because we're poor. So we bought one thing from every place, and yeah. So that's Arby's.
It's a spicy fish sandwich.
Spicy fish sandwich from Arby's. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Where is McDonald's? McDonald's is right here. We work there, you know, so we didn't want to get any. We ate everything there. So we literally just got a fry at McDonald's. Fry. McDonald's fries, I would say. I mean, I eat it every single day because I work at McDonald's, you know. So I don't really like it, but they're okay, you know. How is that? Is that spicy?
It's not as spicy as you think.
We bought this. Vanilla cream. I got this from $1.25 Tree, which actually, to be completely honest, we're just in a Walmart parking lot now eating for this video, and it'd probably be cheaper just to get one here, because this is even off-brand, like, but I really like it because I'm used to drinking it, you know. Can I try it really quick? Take a little bite.
You didn't let me have a bite of your taco.
I still have tacos, just not one.
Little bite. God, that made me really mad, actually.
Let's show them that. Show them how good that looks. Oh, it's fish. I forgot it's fish. It looks like a crispy chicken. Ew. Ew. It looks like a crispy chicken. Ew. Disgusting. Not a fish guy. So we got a fish from Arby's, because Allison likes fish. The only fish I like is Klaus from American Dad. Alright. So we got a taco. Wait, why do I only have... Oh.
You ate one.
Yeah, I already ate one taco, but... Taco John's just got a taco from Taco John's. Because we don't got enough money. We don't make a lot of money off YouTube to spend money making YouTube videos, if that makes sense. I like tacos a lot. Want to bite?
Cold taco.
Yeah, because we had to go to every single place to get stuff. The lettuce is going down my shirt. Alright. Taco Bell. What did we get here? Is Taco
Did you
Supreme?
finish it?
No. I didn't finish it. I took like a bite or two. What's this called? The Taco Supreme?
I believe so.
I think it's called the Taco Supreme. That's it. Want to take a bite?
What's in it differently?
I'm the fellow I just meant. It literally tastes like the when we got. Oh, we should look at our Taco Bell app. I'm guessing we could have got like another free, because on the app we always get like free stuff. Like last time we got the Dorito taco. It literally tastes like the Dorito taco without the Dorito shell. You want to take a bite?
No.
You don't want to bite of this one? I would say my favorite place, probably Taco Bell.
Arby's.
Arby's? Yeah, I can see you hamming down that shit. Alright. That's a little thing of us trying some food out. We're gonna be humongous after this video. Hopefully we go on a little walk. You could all Emmy's ears after I said walk. Her ears, she's like, what, Dad? But yeah, now I'll catch you up what we do later today. Molly, what's up, girl? Hey, what's up, guys? It is 7:32 p.m. at night now. I'm pretty tired.
Wait, I'm gonna die.
We're playing SpongeBob.
No, Clay's playing SpongeBob. I got too mad and have to quit.
You were playing SpongeBob.
Baby.
See, you were playing SpongeBob.
Okay, Mama give you. Oh, Mama, you got a strong core.
This is the game we're playing. See, there's SpongeBob right there. Let me get it down here.
What are you doing?
I'm showing them which one. This is the one we got.
You do them every night.
That's the one we got. Okay, we're gonna play some SpongeBob. We ate. Allison had pizza. I had a little bit of pizza rolls, and I also had pickles and cheese. What is it called? And cream cheese. That's my favorite meal ever. And I hope Allison's gonna make me more.
You're funny.
Oh, I still didn't eat all my cream cheese. Alright, guys, so I got a little bit more. I got cream cheese, I got pickles, and I got a little bit of some, I think they're grape tomatoes. I love tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, any kind of tomatoes. Mostly cherry or grape. Like, the small ones are always really good. I don't know if these are cherry or grapes, but either way, they taste around the same. But I just dip it in. Dip it in this. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.